Nasa school ako, teachers, closing ng Teachers Day, Teachers Month. So, October 3 ngayon. Tignan nyo yung presentation dito sa school.
Thank you for that wonderful and dedication performance to us. And then sometimes, and that's why Galatian students again will now express their message of love and appreciation. So let's call Sheila Bevaisa from grade 12 Peters.